Just careful how you trust people. Cause enough of them out there don't nice. You see me?
Yeah, man. Long time.
How long you been
Yeah.
in the place?
Currently inside the Pearson International Airport, Toronto, Canada, where it's minus 14 degrees Celsius outside. It's blistering cold, so I'm heading to a warm, sunny destination right about now. And that's gonna be Kingston, Jamaica. And I'm gonna be in Jamaica for the next 3 weeks, where I'll be doing a tour of the entire island from parish to parish. So please stay with me for that journey. And right now I'm just waiting on my flight. Waiting to board. I'm gonna board in another 15 minutes. So I'm just doing a quick shout out right now. It's a bit echoey here. Welcome guys, good morning to you. Yes, so I landed last night in Kingston, Jamaica at the Norman Manley International Airport, and I should have showed that part in the vlog, but I got caught up into getting my rental car and getting the car dropped off, and it got dark and I just didn't get to show that. So I'm finally up now, 12:30, and I'm finally up. So day number one, we're gonna start. I'm gonna introduce you to Raji, my cousin here, blood family. He's gonna be my driver for a few days as we trot across all the cities and all the parishes in Jamaica, West Indies, baby. Stay tuned. All right, see you later. Grabbing a few items, Mega Mart store. You can have this totally free, maybe a raffle.
Life, there's hope for me, so me press on towards my destiny. I just life. When you are champion and you the most fight, I must say true, you drive out the Rolls Royce. Just careful how you trust people, cause enough of them out there don't nice. You see me?
Yeah man, long time.
How long have you been in the place, sir?
3 weeks now, and this is day one. So we went to the grocery store and we got a few stuff, and we're taking on the journey right now. Raji in control. You know, it's the opposite side of the road. In Canada, we drive on the right hand side. Here in Jamaica and a lot of English colonies, we drive on the left side. So I don't want to get mixed up for the first. So I'm just gonna let Raji drive, and I take time for things to work back in for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please tap that notification bell below. Stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.